This video will show you how to create an IAM user in the AWS console. In the AWS console, search for IAM in the top search bar. Then click on the users link. Then click on the Create User button. Enter a username of your choice. Then click Next. In the Set Permission section, click on Attach Policies directly. You can select any policy of your choice, but for this tutorial, I'm going to select Administrator Access. Scroll down and click Next. Then click on Create User. Click on View User. Select Security Credentials. Scroll down and click on Create Access Key. On step 1, for the purpose of this tutorial, click on Other. And click Next. On step 2, which is optional, you can add a descriptive tag value of your choice. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll skip it by clicking on Create Access Key. On step 3, your access key should now be shown. Click on Show, right here, to show the secret access key. Note that the step 3 screen is the only screen in which you will be able to see the secret access key. Make sure you save both access keys somewhere safe. Finally, click on Done. Congratulations, you have now finished creating an IAM user in the AWS console.